I want to go there and kind of ask, like, what'd you do from there to get out of that $25,000 in debt?
Basically, I was $25,000 in debt. During those times, you're really not spending a lot of money because you're locked up the
Mm,
majority of the time, right? Which is one thing that really helped me. But not only that, um, even once I reached Hunter Army Airfield with the 75th Ranger Regiment, I was the very odd one out where all of my friends were buying Camaros. I walked everywhere for about 2.5 years. I tried to cook every single meal. I tried to cut costs in every aspect of my life. I cut out all subscriptions, and my goal was to save as much money as possible every single month. Like if I could cut out this, I could save even more here.